Hey guys, so today we are going to be using the Snatoms molecular building kit in order to build 3-methyl-2-butanol. 3-methyl-2-butanol has a molecular formula of C5H10O. We have one functional group, which is going to be your ketone group. We have a molecular weight of 86.13. We have 1 degree of unsaturation, which comes from the double bond in the ketone group. We have 15 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond. We have a melting point of negative 92 degrees Celsius, a boiling point of 95 degrees Celsius, and the physical state at 25 degrees Celsius is going to be liquid. Some important things for when building the molecule to point out is that we have 3 unique hydrogen sets, 4 unique carbon sets, and primarily we are going to be working with sp3 hybridized bonds, but we will have one sp2 hybridized bond that comes from that double bond to the oxygen. So now we will move on to the next slide where we will demonstrate how to build 3-methyl-2-butanol with the Snatoms kit. Alright guys, so with the Snatoms molecular building kit, hydrogen is white, carbon is black, and oxygen is red. So we have 10 hydrogens, 5 carbons, and 1 oxygen. That is, as we mentioned, our molecular formula is C5H10O. The gray pieces will be functional in representing the double bond. So here we attach the double bond gray pieces to the oxygen. And then we will have a carbon that attaches to this. This will be our sp2 carbon. This is the only sp2 carbon in the molecule. As we add the 2 carbons to the carbon double bonded to the oxygen, our ketone group is formed. And then we continue to form the 4 carbon backbone with a methyl substituent on carbon 3. Here we are adding carbon on carbon 1, 3 hydrogens. That is our first methyl group. Carbon 4 will also get 3 hydrogens. That is our second methyl group. And then we have the methyl substituent on carbon 3, which of course also has 3 hydrogens. And the last hydrogen that we have will be added to carbon 3 that is bonded to 3 other carbons. So carbon 3 is a methane group as it's bonded to 3 carbons and 1 hydrogen. All of our bonds are sigma bonds that are sp3 hybridized, with the exception of the carbon double bonded to the oxygen, which is a sp2 hybridized carbon. Alright guys, and there is 3-methyl-2-butanol with the Snatoms kit.